Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then after you see it, you can press the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, look for the option called display. After you find it, select it of course, and here look for the option screen on duration, and then tap on it. And we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25, and 30 seconds. For some reason, we jump from 5 to 8, and then we have the 15, 20, 25, and 30. So we jump every 5 seconds, and then we have 8. This is weird, but it is what it is. So find the duration you like, for example, let's say 15 seconds, and then you can tap on it to select it, and once you select it, you can press the lower button or the upper button, I believe. No, upper button goes forward, so the lower button a couple of times until you reach the watch face. So I set my screen timeout duration to 15 seconds. We could wait for it to turn off. It will take, of course, 15 seconds, so it should be quite soon. I think right about now. Oh no, a bit longer, but here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.